Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today is the continuation of our series, Rise to the Occasion, where we explore rice dishes from all over the world. And today, we are going straight to the Caribbean for one of my all-time favorite rice recipes. As someone with Caribbean roots, this rice recipe holds a special place in my heart. And this rice recipe that I'm going to share with you today is coconut rice and beans. Okay guys, let's go. This recipe is packed with rich, creamy goodness of coconut, rice, and hearty beans. Guys, so here I have my beans. I have it soaking in water. I have coconut, which I'm going to blend in my blender. I have green onions. I have garlic. I have a bay leaf. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper. I have some onions. And of course, guys, my rice. And I'm also going to be using some Maggi chicken bouillon seasoning, some allspice, and some coconut oil. That's it guys, that's all what I'm going to need for my delicious coconut rice and beans. I have my rice in water, it's already washed. I'm going to go ahead and drain out the water. I'm going to set my rice on the side. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my flame on. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm using the Kirkland brand coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil. So that's about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onion. And I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped garlic. A cup of vegetable broth. I'm going to go ahead and add my beans. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add my bay leaf. I'm also going to go ahead and add some whole allspice. Cup of water. And I'm going to go ahead and let my beans cook. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of my Maggi seasoning. I just want my beans to soften up a bit before I add my rice. So while my beans are getting ready, I'm going to go ahead and blend my coconut. So I have a whole coconut in here. I'm just going to blend it up to make my coconut milk. I'm just going to go ahead and drain my coconut so I can extract the coconut milk. And if you have a cheesecloth, go ahead and use it for this. A cheesecloth would make this much easier. All I need is about 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to go ahead and save my coconut because I have a cheesecloth. When I'm able to find it, I'm pretty sure that I can get some more coconut milk out of this. So I'm just going to save it, and when I can find my cheesecloth, I'll go ahead and squeeze and save it and use it for something else. My beans have softened up enough. I'm going to go ahead and my rice. Go ahead and add some thyme, my green onion, and my pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of freshly squeezed coconut milk. I'm going to put the lid on tightly, bring it to a boil so my rice can cook. This is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and take the pepper out of there. So this is it. It's all done. Okay, everyone. So our coconut rice and beans is all done. This is it. It's all done. Our coconut rice and beans. This rice dish is a Caribbean staple. Taste of the islands right to your kitchen. Let's taste. The beans are beautifully cooked. The rice is cooked thoroughly. I can smell the spices. I can smell the coconut milk. It is so delicious, guys. This is how easy this dish is to make. We've come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for joining me here today as we went around the world, all the way down to the Caribbean, in our series Rise to the Occasion, where I brought you coconut, rice, and beans. And it's so delicious, so flavorful. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And stay tuned for more videos in our series, Rise to the Occasion, as we continue to go around the world for more spectacular rice dishes. Until the next video, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.